पंजाब केसरी देख रहे सभी दर्शकों का मैं कविशा अरोड़ा बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। दर्शकों, आज एक खास मौके पर आपको लेकर आए हैं GNDU गुरु नानक देव यूनिवर्सिटी, और यहाँ पर आज एक खास तरह का कॉन्क्लेव हो रहा है। शी राइजेस कॉन्क्लेव, स्टार्टअप कॉन्क्लेव हो रहा है, जिससे कि फिकी फ्लो ने पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट दिया है, पूरी तरह से इसमें जी जान लगाई है। जो नए स्टार्टअप्स हैं उन्हें स्टार्टअप पंजाब के साथ जोड़ा है, और बहुत ही खास मौका है। यहाँ पर हिमानी जी, द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ फिकी फ्लो, हमारे साथ हैं। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका पंजाब केसरी पर।
थैंक यू कविशा।
यू हैव डन अ ग्रेट ट्रेमेंडस जॉब। आई वुड से कि वाकई ही अगर बात करें विमेनहुड को आगे लाने की, तो किस तरह से क्या नहीं किया जा सकता। यू हैव जस्ट सेट एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर दैट।
थैंक यू सो मच कविशा फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स। हम तो सिर्फ एक जरिया बनते हैं। जस्ट लुक एट द टैलेंट अराउंड। आई मीन, आई लर्न फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ देम। आई हैव अ ग्रुप ऑफ इनक्रेडिबल women with us in Flow Amritsar, and hats off to their spirit, hats off to their commitment towards their brand, their work. I must tell you, all of them are gifted, and more than that, I feel lucky to be a part of this organization, to be heading them this year. I love it here. आपने देखा जिस तरह से सबने अपना प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले किया है कॉन्क्लेव के लिए, और जिस तरह से हमारे जो मेंटोर्स हैं, जो पैनलिस्ट हैं, वो हर स्टॉल्स पे जाकर इनका जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको देख रहे हैं, उनको हैंड होल्डिंग दे रहे हैं, मेंटरशिप दे रहे हैं, और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कुछ रिवॉर्ड्स भी हैं, अवार्ड्स भी हैं फ्रॉम द पंजाब गवर्नमेंट। सो डेफिनेटली
आज के इस कॉन्क्लेव में वी हैव हर्ड देयर आर 6 न्यू शीप्रन्योर्स आर पार्टिसिपेट।
जी, वो 6 शी राइजेस के कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं जो कि नेशनल कोहोर्ट 2 में सिलेक्ट हुए थे, एंड उनकी क्लोज डोर पिचिंग हुई है। बस हमारे पास उसके अलावा 25 और पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने यहाँ पे अपना प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले किया है, एंड दीज आर ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स फॉर द अवार्ड्स एंड द प्राइज मनी, द चेक्स विच वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम स्टार्टअप पंजाब।
वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट। सो एक जो स्पेशल प्राइज मनी है वो भी दी जाएगी। सो यहाँ पर जो पैनलिस्ट हैं उनके बारे में भी जानना चाहूंगी, हु ऑल आर दे एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ गाइडेंस दे आर गिविंग टू द पार्टिसिपेंट्स।
Actually, the panelists are stalwarts in their fields. We have Dr. Aarti Gupta with us. She's the National Startup Head, and she's an angel investor as well. And we have, she's come all the way from Kanpur. And then we have Mr. JJ Kocher, sir, the founder of Kocher Tech with us today. And we have people from Startup Punjab. And we have GNDU Incubation Center Head with us today. So they all will create a resource pool with them, and they all will help to handhold and mentor our members.
So we will talk to the mentors and the panelists. So एक बारी आपके साथ ही हम जरूर जाना चाहेंगे। और
excuse me ma'am, you haven't come to my counter.
There's one left.
सो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं अरवीना सोनी, जिन्होंने हाल ही में अपनी बुक लॉन्च की है, और उनके स्टॉल पर यहाँ पर जो पैनलिस्ट्स हैं वो पहुंच चुके हैं। सो लेट्स नो फ्रॉम अरवीना व्हाट शी हैज टू से, एंड देन लेट्स सी कि जो पैनलिस्ट हैं वो क्या कहते हैं।
Got 100 love poems, and in my words, I believe don't seek for love, instead become love, the kind of love that world rather seeks for. So I will be writing my next book on soul healings and recoveries, because I truly believe that words have power to heal. Like they are your best friends. They work like a soothing balm for all those who are suffering silently. Yeah. I believe that reading poetry and writing poetry both are worth it. Because when you read poetry, you find a best friend. When you write poetry, you gift a best friend to the entire world. And I'm so honored. You will be doing unveiling of this book in audio also today. Yeah, along with Vice Chancellor, sir. You just go through one lines of mine. I would be honored.
She's a joint treasurer of Flow Amritsar.
Yeah. You will read one line and you will get to know how deep it is.
So she just came up with a book a week ago.
Otherwise, I'm a fitness freak also. So writing was just my passion. Now, it was like my dream, to turn my dream into tangible reality.
So good to see you actually go ahead and pursue your dreams. Like so many times, I know especially us all women, we like keep our dreams like deep secret somewhere कोने में रख देते हैं.
Like in my own home, reading them critically, then doing publication, then doing a big book launch also. It was big task. Because my elder one is in 12th grade, and I was filing application for him also for
सो यहाँ पर जो इस किताब के बारे में डिस्कशन चल रही है, आरती गुप्ता जी एंड जे कोचर सर इज हेयर टू गाइड अरवीना सोनी एंड वी विल टॉक टू Yeah.
I love what Kanika ji is doing. Yeah.
Okay, so
I
let's
just
see.
want to throw some light here.
Yeah, sure.
I loved, the entire setup and also the taste of everything. It's so healthy, and rest Kanika will tell us.
Hello Kanika ji, so you are participating in this Startup Punjab. We want to know about your products. We could see to ourselves, यहाँ पर बहुत tempting सब कुछ दिख रहा है, गुजराती. Wow.
Everything is homemade and handmade also with proper hygiene factor. This is methi thepla with lots of methi and palak, and this is beetroot thepla. Just see how thin it is. ये आपको सिर्फ अमृतसर में थेपला मैं ही बनाती हूँ. You could not find anywhere. और this is मिर्ची का अचार. Everything is home cooked. This is ईदड़ा white ढोकला. This is खाकरा. The shelf life is 2 months. Just taste it. इसमें zero oil है. This is पापड़.
sure,
Yeah, definitely खा के देखो भाई.
Wow, that's lovely.
ये
Let's
पापड़
taste it.
पोहा है. इसमें भी बिल्कुल भी तेल नहीं है. Just try out this also.
This is just amazing. I'm just
Crispy और पूरा healthy है. 100%. Just try out this पापड़ पोहा. This is also zero oil. Totally roasted dry namkeen. Gujarati farsan. This is patti samosa with no aloo, no matar. Hi ma'am.
stuffing क्या है?
Stuffing चने की दाल है. This is Gujarati samosa. This is frozen. You can deep fry it, air fryer कर सकते हो, bake कर सकते हो. Anything you can do.
Wow, that's great.
Just try out the Gujarati food.
And this is dabeli. Wow, that's great, that's great. तो अगर आप गुजराती खाने के शौकीन हैं तो इस तरह का खाना, गुजराती खाना आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगा. एंड शी इज डूइंग ऑल ब्यूटिफुल स्टफ विद द फूड. यहाँ पर हेल्थ है, यहाँ हाइजीन है और यहाँ है वो सब कुछ जो हम ढूंढते हैं हेल्दी फूड में. और यहाँ पर आरती मैम से जो कि पैनलिस्ट हैं उनसे बात करना चाहूंगी मैं. Hello ma'am, we want to welcome you here in Amritsar and for especially this beautiful event जिसने Fiki Flow has always supported womenhood and आज भी बहुत सारे यहाँ पर startups हैं. What do you have to say about all the startups? जितने लोग यहाँ आए हैं उनके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या लगा आपको इनमें? आपको अगर हम कहें कि आने वाले फ्यूचर में किस तरह की प्रोग्रेस आप देख रहे हैं?
नो थैंक यू. मतलब बहुत बहुत खुशी है. ये मेरा दूसरा ट्रिप है अमृतसर को एंड टू सी फिकी फ्लो अमृतसर डू सच अ फैबुलस जॉब. इट्स वेरी वेरी हार्टनिंग. यू नो हमारा देश आगे बढ़ेगा अगर 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी करना है हमें तो वो दैट विल ओनली हैपन विद अ वुमेन लेड डेवलपमेंट जो बोलते हैं ना. एंड टू सी जो अमेजिंग काम हमारी महिलाएं कर रही हैं यहाँ पे अमृतसर पे, इट्स वेरी वेरी हार्टनिंग. इतना क्रिएटिविटी है इस शहर में तो आई हैव वेरी वेरी हाई होप्स. kudos to Flow Amritsar and we at Fiki Flow are always we believe that to empower women and I really hope to take this forward as well. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I want to know one greatest step. मुझे लग रहा है कि सबके जरूर काम आएगी because we have seen people starting up but they are landing up ending in a wrong way. So we want to know कि किस तरह से वो ending भी जो बहुत खूबसूरत हो सकते हैं जिस तरह से Fiki Flow always supports. एक खास एक ऐसी कुछ आपकी तरफ से कोई ऐसा टिप मिल जाए जिससे कि landing on right note हो जाए.
I think महिलाओं के लिए स्पेसिफिकली राइट. सो मुझे लगता है कि हम महिलाएं ना डरती बहुत ज्यादा हैं, यू नो, और सोचती हमेशा थोड़ा सा है. जितना मतलब ना बहुत थोड़ा कम पैर फूक के रखती हैं कदम ना. तो मुझे लगता है बी ब्रेव, यू नो, टेक रिस्क, करो, मतलब आगे बढ़ो, करो, हो जाएगा. मुझे पता है जो आपको जो चीज चाहिए सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए वो इन सब में है,
बिल्कुल पैर उठाएंगे तो जमीन जरूर
मिल जाएगी. एब्सोल्युटली.
That's lovely. It was
She is such an inspiration at such a young age. She's doing wonders in the world of startup and everything for that matter. Yeah.
That's why I wanted to know from her particular this thing कि स्टार्ट तो कर लेते हैं मगर उसे एक अच्छी एंडिंग या कह सकते हैं उसे एक बहुत अच्छी तरह से आगे तक लेकर जाना, मुकाम
आगे बढ़ो. हम है ना बहुत डरते हैं, बस हमारा सबसे ज्यादा हम बार बार खुद ही पे डाउट करने लगते हैं. तो बस अंदर के वो चैटर को बंद करो और आगे बढ़ो.
बिल्कुल. Wow, that's lovely interacting with you and I'm sure this will help me as well. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच.
और यहाँ पर जो चल रहा है बहुत ही खास इवेंट चल रहा है. जिस तरह से हमें हिमानी जी ने बताया कि बहुत बड़े लेवल पर यहाँ पर बहुत सारे जो शीप्रनोर्स हैं, जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं, उनकी तरफ से ये जो आज पार्टिसिपेशन की गई है. आप देख सकते हैं डिफरेंट स्टॉल्स आर हेयर और लोग जो हैं वो यहाँ पर अपनी अंदर की कला को उभारते हुए और इस कला को दुनिया के सामने पेश करते हुए और दिखाते हुए कि जी हाँ, वी आर विमेन एंड हम में है दम. और यहाँ देख सकते हैं सारी चीजें जो है होममेड हैं, हेल्दी चीजें हैं. सर्दियों को दूर करने के लिए एक खास ब्रांड है होममेड हेल्दी बाइट्स का और बाय मोहिनी अरोड़ा जी. और बहुत खास स्टॉल है यहाँ पर. इसके बाद आगे भी बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स हैं. आपको जी
my all things are in jaggeries. I am not using white sugar.
ओके, व्हाइट शुगर नहीं इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैगरी इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
Last 12 years से मेरा ये काम चल रहा है. You just open homemade healthy bites by मोहिनी अरोड़ा, Instagram, Facebook. तो आपको मेरी स्टोरीज मिलेंगी और आपको पता लगेगा. This is all मिठाइयाँ, नमकीन, रोस्टेड और पिकल्स.
रोस्टेड नमकीन, पिकल्स एंड मिठाइयाँ. मतलब मिठाई खाने के तो हम सब शौकीन रहते हैं. और जब जैगरी वाली जो व्हाइट शुगर है, जिस तरह से हम कहते हैं व्हाइट्स आर नॉट हेल्दी फॉर अस, तो यहाँ पर व्हाइट शुगर का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जा रहा. बहुत हेल्दी बाइट्स बनाई जा रही हैं, होममेड हेल्दी बाइट्स पर. और आगे हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे एक और स्टॉल पर. रमिता नाथ गुप्ता, हाय.
How are you?
I'm good. You tell me.
All good, all good. So
we want to know about your startup.
So I am basically a table stylist, a DIY expert, and a social media influencer.
Oh, great.
And I do basically table styling for the brands Pan India, from Ugao to Chumbak to Freedom Tree to Bombay Artisan. There are n number of brands, I can name it, and I do table styling for that. And probably from past 1.5 years, I've started taking up workshops also for the same thing in Amritsar. Be it any age category, be it elders, kids, old age people.
That's for for making homemaking ladies or
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Not only for the home.
as they can make it a career like you. जिस तरह से आपने इसे अपना करियर बनाया, आप उनको
आर्ट पसंद है करना. इट इज बेसिकली ब्यूटीफुल, मेरा अपना ब्यूटीफुल लर्निंग है, मेरी अपनी एक्सपीरियंस है कि आपके पास गेस्ट आते हैं एंड हाउ यू कैन लाइक होस्ट
presentation.
मोर अबाउट द प्रेजेंटेशन थिंग. इट इज कि प्लेट लगा दी, नॉर्मल तो सब लगा लेते हैं, बट हाउ टू ले डाउन अ टेबल एंड विद इन बेरली 10 मिनट्स आप कैसे ये सेटअप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. विद इन 5 मिनट्स जो आपके पास घर पे सामान है ना, विद ऑल द थिंग्स एट होम, यू कैन लाइक create a centerpiece without moving out to the market and spending a single penny on that.
That's lovely. Actually, we could see to ourselves जिस तरह से बहुत खूबसूरत जार्स को यहाँ पर डोरी के साथ जो हम जी जूट स्ट्रिंग हाँ घर पर होती है एंड देन दीज लीव्स या फर्न्स हैं, ये भी आपको अपने गार्डन में से मिल जाएंगे, कहीं से भी मिल जाएंगे.
Any green thing you can add, it adds life to anything. A green
कुछ स्ट्रिंग्स अगर आपकी खराब हो गई हैं तो उसके ही यहाँ पर पर्ल्स आप स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं.
Actually, मैंने ये स्ट्रिंग खराब थी, I use the pearls. So everything is very sustainable, low on budget, and yet a beautiful setup it is done.
Yes, actually, and we really are looking at these sandys by you. They are amazing. किस तरह से आपने बहुत अच्छा सा डेक्ड अप किया है, टेबल को बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. हर तरह के आपने डिफरेंट तरह के टेबल सेटअप्स किए हैं एंड दे आर गिविंग लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू यू. आई वुड रियली वांट टू से
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
thank you. And here we are moving to next stall. So here is another stall. I would like to take you. Meeta Mehra's stall. This is a beautiful stall of organza की sarees. बहुत चंदेरी की sarees, beautiful चंदेरी sarees. और यहाँ पर हम बात करना चाहेंगे. ओके सो यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी ये जो ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज हैं चंदेरी की, ये वही साड़ीज हैं जो हमारी नानी दादी पहनती थी. आज एक बार फिर से उसी चीज का, क्योंकि हम हमेशा बात करते हैं तो चीजें वही मुड़ मुड़ कर आती हैं. और ये साड़ीज इतनी खूबसूरत लगती हैं पहनी हुई और इतनी कंफर्टेबल है. एंड आई रियली लव हर ब्रांड. बहुत ही खूबसूरत ब्रांड है. एंड यू कैन सी यहाँ पर ये जो बैग्स हैं वो भी यहाँ पर चंदेरी के बैग्स बनाए गए हैं टू अवॉइड प्लास्टिक. वाओ दैट्स लवली. और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टॉल है यहाँ पर. इनसे भी बात करना चाहेंगे हम. हाय, कैन आई नो योर नेम?
My name is Ritika from the brand name Slice of Art by Ritika.
So यहाँ पर we want to know about your brand.
Mine is in handmade store. Everything is handmade and everything is customized. Like albums,
Yeah.
resin,
And everything is handmade, and we preserve your memories with all your loved
for all
ones
the
and everything.
occasions and in all the ranges you want. Like this is for photographs, keepsakes and all these things. Everything
This
creative.
is a baby album for a boy, as it is having blue concept. So इसमें भी pictures लगेंगी.
We make your memories special by just knowing your customized requirement, your range, your occasion, and then everything will be done on our end. You nothing need to worry.
That's lovely, and I really want to show you this beautiful puja thali where there's a beautiful message written over it. Sarv Mangal Mangale Shive Sarvarth Sadhike Sharane Trambake Gauri Narayani Namosute. और यहाँ पर जिस तरह से इसे सुंदर तरीके से सजाया गया है, this is looking, oh wow, this is washable as well. एक बार इस्तेमाल करने के बाद it is not waste, it is reusable as well.
This is a frame which it's a Guruji's frame, but you can convert it into a wedding frame and with a name. So everything you just need to, I'll show you one thing. This is a baby album, handmade.
And it's made up of
With pics.
reusable things. All the cloth and everything.
Wow, so matlab nothing is waste here. If there's something, you can actually create something very creative out of it, and that's lovely. So thank you so much for talking to us, and we would really want to congratulate and we want to give you best wishes from Punjab Kesari. So next we are taking you to another stall. Hi.
Hello.
So, after seeing this beautiful art piece, I can actually recognize this is a creation by Smarili ji.
Thank you so much, Kavisha. You've been always a support to हमें. आप हमेशा इतने support करते हो. आपका channel इतना support करता है हमें. और आगे बढ़ाने में लोगों
It's
को
an honor for us. So we want to know, हम लोग जानते हैं, we all know about your brand and things, but we actually want to know from your side, what is your vision, how are you going to take it further?
So our vision is inspired from the people, those who are getting their houses and getting their work done. उनके हिसाब से ही हम डिजाइन करना बिलीव करते हैं. क्योंकि वो पीस उनके पास ही रहना होता है फुल लाइफ टाइम, तो उन्हीं के विजन को लेके हम आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Wow, that's lovely. So, do you talk to them? Do you personally meet them? What type of किस तरह से आपको ये ideas मिलते हैं कि you want to create such a piece for such a family or such an individual?
So बिल्कुल उनसे मिलते हैं, हम लोग उनसे बात करते हैं. We make them their family sit along and listen to them पहले ज्यादा कि उनको क्या चाहिए. So this is a piece for somebody's staircase. किसी की staircase में ये piece लगना है, and I sat with the whole family.
This is looking like an angel, and it's a beautiful piece. I would really want to tell you कि it's just actually giving me a lot of peace, and the family who's getting this frame in their stairs, they're gonna get all the inspiration and peace inside them.
I hope so. I designed it and made it according for them, like with the same hope, and I am so happy you just got that thought. So It's a great meeting you. Yes.
Lovely. That's lovely. And many, many congratulations for being a part of Startup Punjab. And we hope you take your brand miles away.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And here, let's go to another stall and let's talk to the shepreneur, the she startup. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. You tell me.
All well, all well.
We actually want to know about your brand. We actually know, but we want our viewers to know a little more about your brand.
Definitely, definitely.
So she's Garima, and
Hi.
we want to know more about you.
Definitely. It's an all-women's brand. I started 7 years ago, switching from professorship here. You know, it's all hand-painted. और जितने पंजाब के, I need to speak in English. So जितने भी मेरे पास it's an all women's team. So 69 women are working under me and they are all doing this hand paints, tasseling, फुलकारी के साथ also we give such artistic touch. You usually don't get such pastel colors in fulkari and definitely embossed. And you know, look at that. That's my brand ambassador. Embossed seascape, handscape, and you definitely look class apart because we also, you know, we really don't believe in remaking our own pieces. So GHP Square is the only brand doing hand paint on polywools. I mean, even if you type on Pinterest, you won't get any hand painted shawls. I mean, this is polywool and this is the artwork of all the Punjab. Look at that. These are the flowers and look at this side. I mean, obviously these ought to be the head turners.
Actually, this is very pretty and we can say very eco-friendly as well.
Correct.
So all the nature in one stall. Wow, that's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Yes,
That's
we have abstract, we have Mughal themes, we have Kalamkari, we have Madhubani, we have this leather paint. Again, it doesn't goes off. And definitely we don't, you know, feel like creating ek tarah ke 10, 12, 15, which usual brands they do. And the only purpose is to earn more and more. But we really believe in uniqueness and involving jitni ladies ko hum involve kar sakte hain. I mean, starting from a one-man's army, involving 70 women across Punjab, I'm actually proud of myself and my team, honestly.
So we want to know कि किस तरह के challenges आए when you started up and like आपने अपनी professorship छोड़ी and then you started up for this hand painted women oriented brand. So we want to know किस तरह से क्या challenges आए या it was easy journey?
No, it wasn't at all an easy journey, but it seemed to be easy क्योंकि आपका passion होता है तब आपको पता नहीं लगता आप कहाँ से कहाँ निकल जाते हो. You know, working online, selling it on a Facebook show 7 years ago was not easy, right? And standing up for your own dreams when you are actually forced to leave the job. I mean, I think you understood what I'm trying to say. Family pressures, you know, बच्चों के काम and बहुत तरह के pressures होते हैं. But then standing for your own and, you know, it's a $5,000 startup. And now I'm a GST registered firm. We are doing business in Mohali, Gurgaon and recently launched in Dubai. And again, सारी women involved हैं who are selling it online. 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे बोलना and people, लोगों को convince करना and you know, telling them how you started. And there were times you really feel like fainting. 3 घंटे आप लगातार बोल रहे हो and you know, convincing the other end because showroom के लिए investments नहीं है. And this time, at this point of time, although I have ample investment, but I don't think showrooms are a need. Yes. Online is the next portal. Digital marketing is the best marketing.
Wow, that's lovely. We really want to wish you great luck for future. You are already doing great and we wish to see you rising and shining.
So much. It's all because of you guys, you talented women, कि आप लोग ऐसी stories को cover करते हो. The real stories of real entrepreneurs. Hats off to you, your channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And here we are moving towards another stall. Here we want to know about your stall. क्या आपकी ये जो brand है, we want to know कि किस तरह की brand?
Brand's name is Pixie Bites.
Pixie Bites.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do it single-handedly.
Okay.
And I make energy balls without sugar, without honey, without jaggery. Yeah. Only sweetened with the dry fruits. Okay. And all kinds of seeds are there. Okay. And prepared in cow ghee. Wow. Because that is less fat.
That's great.
Supplement for the...
So here we are at a stall of Dr. शिवालिका खन्ना. यहाँ पर आप बहुत ही हेल्दी तरीके से अपने आप को बिल्कुल फैट टू फिट कर सकते हैं. एंड शी इज गोना गाइड यू विद ऑल द वेरी नेचुरल प्रोसेस हाउ यू कैन ग्लो इन एंड आउट. सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर जो लीफलेट्स हैं, दे आर टेलिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ परफेक्ट फिट women who's actually inspiring people to get fit and not fat. So we will be talking to her as well. I guess we will just get her here and there. So वहाँ पर we will talk to her and let's move a little और हम आपको आगे भी लेकर जाएंगे. Hi, so Arusha जिससे भी बात करते हैं हम. So this is a beautiful event, yes. Yes. So this is a beautiful event. I really want to say Fiki Flow के जो यहाँ पर efforts हैं, we could see. So what do you have to say about such an beautiful event?
So you know what I would like to say is I would like to congratulate Himani because she's given such a wonderful platform to all these entrepreneurs, the women entrepreneurs from Fiki, that they all are displaying their talent and you know it's giving them such a push in their business. I think it's so wonderful and I'm so happy to be here.
Wow, that's lovely. Thank you so much for talking to us and let's move further. So यहाँ पर एक और ब्रांड है, उनसे भी बात करते हैं. Hi. So I want to know your name, please.
Hi, my name is Apurva Kapoor.
And what's your brand name?
My brand's name is Toggy India. So we are the corporate provider, corporate apparel and corporate merchandiser provider for the brands.
So what all brands you are dealing with?
So basically these are few of the brands that we've already worked with. You can see few logos here. So we've been making corporate apparel, corporate uniforms. We are doing their gifting. We are doing their mementos and all these things. We are working with government also. We've worked with government projects where we have, catered to their marathons, to their retreats and all these things.
So next we want to know what all things you have created other than these apparels.
So basically these are the mementos. These are all gifting items that are used in corporate companies or hospitals, hospitality industry. So this can be used to give to their associates, and there are every kind of branding material that is required for the company, the mementos, the stationery, everything is customized inside the company.
So that's lovely. So you are giving an huge idea to people out there who actually want their to start their startups, and this is another idea to do these type of things and do brand work for different brands. Wow, that's lovely.
We kind of make the brand like kind of flourish around, and it's like we help them kickstart things.
Yes.
So
so you are helping them as a startup. You are helping them to yes. Wow.
Thank you so much.
Wow,
Thank you.
It's lovely
Thank
interacting to you. So there are a lot more stalls, and people here are looking forward to actually reach their dreams. So यहाँ पर भी एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टॉल है जहाँ पर लिखा है लव एट फर्स्ट बाइट. वाओ, लव एट फर्स्ट साइट नहीं बट बाइट. वाओ, दैट्स लवली. सो हाय.
Hello.
Can I know your name?
Myself, Sonia Luthra.
And is this your brand name?
Yes.
Love at...
And the brand name is Protein Bakery. It's a German name, basically.
Okay, that's great. So, what is the idea of your brand? We want to know. Actually, we could see to ourselves there are a lot of desserts to actually यहाँ पर आंखों से ही मतलब like वो कहते हैं ना taste समझ में आ रहा है.
Right. So basically, if you ask me the truth, so the name itself came in the mind because our mother company is back in Germany, Frankfurt.
Okay.
So whenever we used to travel there, we wanted to bring those baking specialities of France, Italy, and then some German concepts back to India, so that people here in India can actually relish those things which we miss once we are in India, right? Okay. So this name itself tells you it's a protein bakery, and keeping the protein thing in mind while we are focusing it it is for everybody, but especially for the gym lovers, for the fitness freaks. So we are adding some organic proteins into the cakes in order to make them guilt-free cakes.
Okay.
So the concept is no.
Whenever you eat, actually, when we eat pastries, we eat patisserie things, and then we get that guilt. Like we are going to gym and spending a lot of time, hours in gym, and then we are just coming to a bakery home and just eating patisserie things, and we are just putting lots of kilos over us.
So this is no maida, no chini. So we are into
this is jaggery made.
Yeah, this is basically these are whole wheat, high protein and jaggery. Either it is sweetened with jaggery or it is sweetened with dates. And not only wheat. If suppose a person has some like gluten allergy, so we have gluten-free cakes also, cookies also.
So that what you are using?
We are using oats and we are using rice flour. And we customize. For example, you don't want us to add sugar, jaggery or dates, we will omit that. And some of the real beauties of our concept is, like this is coconut high protein laddu, but it is also, mixed with organic dragon fruit, which is in the form of freeze-dried powder.
You can grab a bite before going to gym as well.
Yes. And for gym, we have some special coffee cakes, which we call pre-workout cakes. So it serves, the purpose of pre-workout as well, while you are getting some dose of caffeine also. Yeah?
That's great. So you need not to have that, like आपको वो जो एक कॉफी पीकर आपको कई बार लगता है oh God ये क्या टेस्ट बहुत खराब हो गया. So यहाँ पर आपको टेस्ट भी मिलने वाला है, कैफीन भी मिलने वाली है, and you gonna do rock at the gym.
Infusion of French and Indian flavors. Yeah. And keeping health in mind. And we are using some. Yeah.
हमने आपके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में तो सब जान लिया. We want to know the story behind making this beautiful concept of protein bakeries.
Yeah.
So we want to know कितना headache रहता है when you start like or your people at workplace.
Telling you, no headache.
Okay.
It's
Who's
pure
making all
love
this?
and passion.
Who's making all this?
So basically, I have team of bakers with me, but the idea and the concept is my own.
Okay.
Since I've told you, we from Frankfurt we export it to the world.
Okay.
We are into foods, bio, organic. Wow, that's lovely. So some parts, the coffee which I'm using, in some of the cakes, it's coming from Italy. Which is organic, and the cocoa is coming from Ghana, Netherlands. So we are already into this business from Frankfurt. So from there came the idea, why not infuse it with Indian, taste. Like this cake, this is sesame sunt wellness. So the baking concept is typical French, while the topping is sesame, seed and peanuts. So keeping Indian infused with
protein.
A lot of protein. And the protein, we are not only using whey protein, we are using vegan protein also. That's coming from Austria. Again, organic.
Wow, that's great. And I actually wanted to know what I was talking, कि जब ये सब बनता है, इसकी टेस्टिंग में, इसके बनवाने के प्रोसेस में कितना टाइम लगता है और कितनी क्या आपको क्या चीजों से गुजरना पड़ता है? We want to know.
Again, I would say if something is your passion and your love, then problem and difficulty does not exist.
Yeah.
So we love to customize every bite of everything. Yeah. So it's our pleasure to, target and to meet the standards. For example, you tell us you want a gluten-free cake, but topped up with some cocoa and then some real fruits or maybe some organic fruits. So we would love to use, those ingredients, we have it all. You name the flavor, we have it all.
That's lovely. I really want to congratulate you, as well as I want you reach your dreams wherever you want to take this brand. You get it. And आज जब आपने अपने स्टार्टअप को पंजाब स्टार्टअप के साथ जोड़ा है, तो we are looking forward to see your brand shining and rising like stars.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And here we have Dr. Shiba Khanna. We were searching for. Hi. So we want to congratulate you that your brand is now associated with the Punjab startup.
Yes, I've been chosen as a startup with the Golden Jubilee Center of Entrepreneurship and and Innovation. And I would really like to thank Himani Arora, our chairperson. She's so visionary, doing an MOU with the university. She's taken Flow to another level and changed its dynamics. And giving opportunity to women entrepreneurs and getting their dreams turned to practicality and reality. And a great thanks to Dr. Patti and the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Jaspal, for giving us an opportunity, you know.
Wow, that's lovely. We have always seen you glowing and rising and making everyone fat to fit. And you yourself as the biggest example of glowy skin and beautiful and I can say best fitness ever I have seen since now.
Thank you. I just try keeping up to it and working. That's it. But yes, it's a daily effort. It's a lifestyle transformation. It's not easy, but yes, we all can do it.
Tell people out there watching this video, like how fitness actually can change someone's life.
Actually, I think when you're consistent, fitness can actually really take you to another direction. Like in my case, I was doing the health and the diet plans, but I'd always wanted to do some health innovations, you know, which people could benefit. And I think just keeping fitness in my mind all the time, I've reached towards that path where it has really helped me because, you know, I was at it all the time.
Wow, that's
Thank you.
lovely. Thank you for this beautiful tip for fitness. And we are looking forward. आपकी ब्रांड जिस तरह से पंजाब स्टार्टअप में ऐड हो चुकी है and we really want to see you like rising. Thank you so much.
Kavisha. Thank you. Thank you.
And
Punjab Kesri, thank you for always promoting us and taking our voice to all the other entrepreneurs.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. और मुझे लगता है कि आज के इस वीडियो में सबके लिए खास मैसेजेस थे. फॉर ऑल द वुमेन सिटिंग आउट देयर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो कैन हैव द आइडियाज, ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज. पीपल वर प्रेजेंटिंग हियर विद द ब्यूटीफुल स्टॉल्स हियर एंड आई एम श्योर कि बहुत सारे लोगों को अब ये लग रहा होगा कि अब सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. एमएसएमई जब आपको लोन दे रहा है तो चांसेस आर देयर, यू जस्ट हैव द आइडिया, यू कैन पिक